Hello friends, in this video I am going to share you in ICICI Direct trading platform how we can place a stop loss order for our equity holdings. So for that what we have to do is we have to go to equity, then you have to select the portfolio. Here you can see our portfolio holdings. So I am going with my first stock, that is Ashok Leyland. I had a 40 quantity here, sorry, quantity 60 I have. 40 is already more than 1 year. Okay, so if I worried, price may go down. If I want to put a stop loss at 120, current market price is 124.5. So what you have to do is we can directly go to our option sell. Here you can see a sell option. Then what you have to do is you have to select the cash or ATM. Cash will select. Then we have to select the exchange. Then any as we are came from our portfolio, our name will be by default it will be there. Here you have to enter the quantity. I am putting enter 60 quantity here. Then we are putting the limit price. So here I am giving current is 124.55. I am giving us 120. Then what you have to do is you have to go to this option more. Here you can see day IUC BTC. If you want to keep a stop loss trigger price, we have to select the option only day. Only for a day only it will be valid. So what will happen is if you are keeping a stop loss trigger price, here it is 120.1. So what will happen is if the current market price comes down to 120.1, then only this order will be enabled and ICICI will send this order to the exchange. Until that time, it will be idle stage. So that's the prime difference between a normal order and a stop loss order. In stop loss order, at what price we are setting a trigger price. When this trigger reaches only, this trigger will be enabled and this order will be go to the market. So quantity I put it here, order type put 120, stop loss trigger price as 120.1. I am giving a sell order. Here everything you can verify. What is estimated deal value, all this thing you can verify here. Then if you want to see more details that so you can see here. Then you have to give proceed. Okay, now you can see your order has been sent to exchange. Now order gone to exchange, but it is not enabled. You can see your order book. Here you can see order value. So it is ordered by default. How come? Okay, it's ordered. But in trade book you can see it is not executed. That means this order is gone to the broker, but it's still now it is not activated because once the price reaches to this stop loss price 120.1, then only it will be enabled. Then here you can see order will be executed here instead of ordered. So if you want to modify this order, what you have to do is you can go to this modify option as a normal way. Here if you want to change the price, that you can change, like if you want to keep stop loss at 121, that all things you can modify here 121.1. So one thing what you have to notify is if you are keeping the limit price lesser than the current market price, our stop loss trigger price should be higher than whatever limit price you are keeping here. So 121 I am keeping here, so 121.1 I am keeping here. So modify now we can give. Now you can see what are the modification done. Earlier limit price was 120, now it is 121, and earlier trigger price was 120.1, now it is 121.1. Then quantity remains same. Then you have to give proceed. This your order modification has been accepted by us. Now you can see in our order book. Here you can see now it is modified. So this is the way we can keep a stop loss. So when the current market price comes to this one, at that time only this order will be enabled. Once then it will be come it as a executed. Then you can see that order in our trade book. As it is not executed, it is not showing on the trade book. What book I can show you again. So if you want to cancel this one, or if then you can go with the option is cancel. Are you sure you want to cancel this order? You have to give yes. Then order will be cancelled. You can see in our order book. Okay, I'm giving. order book you can see here cancelled. So this order is cancelled, so there is no stop loss available now. So friends, if you have any question, please put upon the comment line. Thanks for watching my video. So if you want to open a free demat account with a discount brokers like IIFL, Angel Broking, Upstock, and also with ICICI, link is available in the description. Please open the account through link. It will be helpful for me. Thanks for watching my video.